Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can apply a sepia effect to video clips you play and edit on VLC Media Player. So let us dive into this. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to the video clip on VLC Media Player. But before you adjust the sepia effect, you'll need to enable the sepia filter first. To do that, navigate to Tools at the top and click into Preferences. Then guys, here in the bottom left under Show Settings, click into All. Next, scroll down here on the left hand side and click into Video Filters. And next, look for the sepia filter. You find it. There it is, sorry, in the top left corner. Enable it, click into Save. Now you can apply it. To do that, navigate to Tools at the top, select Effects and Filters. Next, navigate to Video Effects. And after that, guys, click into Colors and enable the sepia filter here. Now you can customize the intensity by moving these or by using these up and down arrows. Right, so if I make it almost 0, press Enter, it will look almost like black and white or gray. But you can also go with a higher intensity of the sepia effect and go with, I don't know, this one here, 200 units, and that would look like this. Click into Save to apply this change. Close this menu, and that's how you create a sepia effect on VLC Media Player, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.